Hey guys, as how you see, I just pick up the kids right here. Jacob's somewhere back there. But I didn't go to work today, it's Friday. And the thing is that Alexander's father got him a motorcycle. You know, una motora. El papá de Alejandro le tiene una motora. Woo! And he wanted to go get it. So I'm passing to my house real quick to get Alexander charger. So just be with me in just a second. Alright guys, Isaac is knocked out. Isaac está dormido. Como dije, Alejandro fue a buscar el cargador de su teléfono porque mi teléfono, pues como ves, estoy grabando y hay que poner la dirección de su padre para entonces buscar a motorita y les voy a enseñar. I'm gonna translate in English. Voy a traducir en inglés. I was saying that Alexander's father had bought him a motorcycle. It's little, you know, just for him. He fixed it. The only thing is that I feel so happy because they are so excited. They said, "Mommy, take me over there," and this and that. So I'm just, you know, I'm gonna take them to Burger King also because they are hungry. They said, "Mommy, I want burger with chicken nugget, French fries, you know, whatever." Joker. Alright guys, he's coming right now. Just motorcycle. He's gone. Aww. His daddy, Alexander. A little practice. Huh? Look at Jacob. Jacob. Jacob, this way, guys. Alex, you gotta practice. Alex, good. You gotta practice. Yeah, you gotta practice. Let me see, Alex, let me throw you a picture. Alex, let me throw you a picture, puppy. Say cheese. Motorcycle. Oh. Are you excited?
Yes, it doesn't ride. Not yet. It won't let you move because you gotta take the thing off. You gotta go the other side.
Alex, you like it? Go, Jacob.
Go, you go see.
It's heavy.
Go, you go.
Alex, you should sit next behind him. You know you could sit. Alex, you ride it and Jacob sit behind you. Yo, Alex, you sit on it and Jacob sit behind you.
No, Jacob's gonna fall.
You could do it. Good job. The brake. Alex running. ¿Y cuánto cuesta eso, más o menos? Here's Isaac. He's about to ride the motor with Jacob. ¿Se está poniendo? Para que no se caiga.
Isaac wanna try.
Alex, put your shoes on.
No!
Put your shoes on.
You can't try with no one. This is
Kids'
your
motorcycle.
motorcycle, but you can't ride it when you have no shoes on.
Look over here, guys.
I see birds.
Alex,
No. Now you're gonna try. Get on there.
Jacob's gonna teach Isaac.
No, he's
Jacob va a
not.
enseñar a Isaac cómo manejarla. Stop. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Pick it up. Jacob. Isaac, you good? You see? Go in the back, Jacob, in front. Isaac's gonna go right there. Jacob's teaching him. Jacob, you should go on the other side. Jacob, darling. Okay, here they go. They going far. Jacob is gone. Okay, I wonder where he going now. He stopped. He's going to Jacob. Go ahead, keep going, keep going. Keep going, Jacob.
Diego?
You did a good job. Let him play, man.
Diego!
Alex, your turn. He's gone. Ow.
Come.
Let's see, I think the motorcycle just went down a little bit. No, Dele. Yeah, he's coming. Sorry, guys, for the camera. Jacob's coming.
Diego, stop right here. I gotta tell you something.
Woo, he's gone. Huh? Okay. Oh, Alex. Okay, here is Daddy. He's trying to fix this other one. Está tratando Razor. This is like a scooter.
What did I just say?
Está tratando de arreglarla para que los niños pues se diviertan. Es lo mismo que la otra, pero la otra es una motora, una motorita. Esa. Es de Alejandro, pero Alejandro lo está, you know, los hermanos se prestan las cositas. Y aquí volvemos con Daddy. Yes.
Guys, he gave me 10 chances.
Who gave you 10 chances?
God.
Alex?
Alex.
Alex. Hey, what you, papi, mira diciendo. You goes far. Alex, I want you to ride it. I want to see how you ride it. Okay, I'm gonna call him. Isaac, tell Jacob come here. Yeah, Isaac, be careful, Isaac. Jacob, Alex wanna ride it now. No, dásela. Okay, now he's gonna try. Alright guys, here I am inside the house. I have bought this beautiful curtain. It's been like a little while. I'm sorry you can't barely see it, but I'm gonna show you in my room real quick. Les quiero enseñar esa cortina, yo la compré, no se ve tan bien porque la luz de afuera está enfocando. And I'm gonna show you the curtain. Les voy a enseñar la cortina que yo compré para mi cuarto y este es de la cama, no sé. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the curtain that I bought for my room. Is this one? That's the curtain that I got for my room. It's a little bit long. And for behind, like for the shoes, I also, this is for to put the shoes in there, para poner los zapatos ahí. Right now I'm here at the table. I want to show you, I did some shrimp over here. You can see I did some shrimp with onion. Hice camarones con cebollita. Y I did this, it's plantain, green banana. I kind of did it like this, like a little hat bowl, because I wanted to put it inside. You know, it's doing something different is good. So I'm just going to pour this like on top. Like right there inside with some onions. And I'm going to be eating it later. And a little bit juice. So I just wanted to show y'all. That's how it looks so far. Excuse my camera. So I'm going to be doing the same thing over and over. Let me get a little bit this one. Right here. Same thing. A little bit onion. And I'll be with you guys when I'm done. I just wanted to show you. I also have avocado. Tengo aguacate. I'm gonna do this delicious food and I'll be with you in just a second for you guys to see how I leave it. Guys, this is what I got for now. This is what I was doing just now. I got some avocados. This is corn. I put a little bit ketchup and mayo together. I got 2 chiles right here. Those beans, tortilla, and this is meat. So you know how good that looks. So hope you guys love this video. Sorry, wish my camera would have looked much better, but hey, that's how it goes. Hope you all love everything, guys. Espero que les haya gustado mi comidita. My meat, I love it crunchy. Mi carne a mí me gusta que truene, crack, you know, cuando uno lo muerde. So that's why it looks like that. I'm just gonna do juice right now. And the juice I'm gonna be drinking is this one. Kool-Aid is the best, es lo mejor. And yeah, I hope you guys love it. Chile, chile. Chile everywhere. Woo! Alright guys, I'll be with you later on. Alright, now baby's eating. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
There you go.
Time to eat.